We're in today with the GeForce 9300 GE. This is a 2008 video card with 8 shaders. It's got 256 megabytes of DDR2 running at 540 megahertz on the core clock, 500 megahertz on the memory clock, 64 bits bus width, DirectX 10, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. This is not a very fantastic video card, but the best thing we can do is to just jump in a couple of games and see how it's holding. Let's go. All right, let's start with driver because this is a very interesting performance from this video card with this computer. Let me explain. I got 640 by 480 with maximum details. You can actually see there's a lot of details in the game, but it's the lowest resolution. 96 watts consumption from the whole computer. I got 100 megabytes of VRAM utilization and 50 FPS on average. This is interesting because you can actually see there is a potential for playing some older titles with this type of video card. What do you expect from a video card like this? Seriously. So I think 640 and 800 by 600 are a resolution that needs to be put on a video card like this. You can actually see with maximum details, I got 125 megabytes of VRAM utilization, 45 degrees. It's got no fan on it, you know. I just put a case fan underneath so you can push a little airflow, you know, on that radiator, but that's it. I didn't put a very loud fan because there is no need. You can actually see in this case 45 degrees for this video card is actually good, you know. I'm guessing the chip is super small. It doesn't have a lot of how should I say, wattage consumption. I mean, wattage consumption, look at it, 96 watts consumption from the whole computer. I mean, yeah, it's not being utilized at maximum. It says 40% fan spin, but it's got no fan. That's the settings this video card has. I think maybe you can solder on the main board or connector or put something that it's going to work, you know. But I'm guessing the video card was designed to have a fan. Maybe it was another video card model, but this one doesn't have anything. So there is a chance to get 40 to 60 FPS with this video card, but the ideal will be to put it on maybe on medium details. You know, you can actually see there's a lot of details. I like the car. It's got reflection on it and stuff. The windows, I can see them. You know, all kinds of effects in this case. In this situation, in World of Tanks, let me explain what I've done because this is so funny. So I got 253 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Listen to me. I'm using the maximum VRAM from this video card. This is absurd. So in order to lower even harder the resolution in World of Tanks, you have to go in the desktop resolution to put it on 800 by 600. So the moment you put 800 by 600 and you come into the game and it says use window mode full screen, it's gonna take the resolution from the desktop 800 by 600. So with 9300 GE, I managed to put the game on 800 by 600 minimal resolution, 70% render scale. It's competing with Minecraft. It's very hard to make World of Tanks work with this video card. But this is the only way you can pass over 30 FPS. 30 FPS. Imagine saying 30 FPS. It's an achievement. Doom 640 by 480. Maximum details on Ultra. Look at this. 240 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Looks gorgeous. No, seriously. I think on this lower resolution, there is a chance to actually utilize this video card. There is a chance so you can play this game with this resolution and this quality. 91 watts consumption from the whole computer. I will call this a big win. That's it. That's it. This performance, it's exactly what I need from this video card. Seriously. In a game like this, I think this is possible to play. 50% load on the core of the video card. Very interesting to see this. I think this is the maximum FPS I can get from this. You know, it's utilizing the video card, but the core on the video card is not at maximum. This is very interesting because based on the wattage and based on the temperature this video card is got, look at it, 44 degrees, 43 degrees from this video card. This is a nice performance this card is offering. I got 800 by 600 in Team Fortress with lowest details. I want to see if I can maintain 60 FPS in order to play this game. I want to play Team Fortress with this video card. This is going to be the most awesome thing ever. Got 32 FPS on average, nearly maximum VRAM utilization. Holy smoke, is so heavy on the video card. I think I have to go even lower on the resolution. You can see that 800 by 600 with low details is not okay. I got like 46 degrees, maximum core load, 241 FPS. Oh, 241 megabytes of VRAM utilized here in order to give me this performance. Not okay, seriously not okay. The system doesn't have any problem. 5.4 gig of system RAM used and less than 10% load on the CPU side. Yeah, it's not okay. This is gonna be great, seriously. So let me explain why. In this game with 800 by 600 with low details, you can expect high quality from a video card like this. I got 126 megabytes of VRAM utilization. I got nearly 60 FPS on average here. Maximum core load, everything is loaded, but there is a chance so I can play a racing game with this video card because let's face it, there is no chance for a video card like this to actually play proper games. Nearly 200 megabytes of VRAM managed to load, and I got maximum core load in this case. I'm looking at the wattage meter because I'm curious if it's reaching 100 watts, you know, because the moment you start driving on the map, it loads the map. Let's face it, there's not a lot of games that you can play on this. I tried to play other games, but on lowest resolution, they can barely put 20-30 FPS, and I said, I want to show you games that are working like, you know, I want to show you giving me more than 60 FPS or around 60 FPS. World of Tanks was one of those games that I put because I wanted to show you what it means to have this video card in 2024. You understand? With people online. That was an online game. I swear I was expecting this amount of FPS. So I put 800 by 600 lowest details and I got 40 FPS. In this case, it's okay-ish for a video card like this in a game like this. I'm playing Call of Duty with 9300. 167 megabytes of VRAM utilization. The core is on maximum. This is almost playable. Seriously, it's almost playable with this video card. It'd be much better to have 60 FPS constant, not like this, but I'll take this. I'll take this as a big win, you know, because I was expecting this type of performance. Oh my god, in the smoke I got 18 FPS. 18 FPS in the smoke. That's a new drop. Seriously, it's very hard for this video card to actually hold Call of Duty in this case. 171 megabytes of VRAM utilization in this case. 50 degrees with passive cooling. I'll call this a very interesting performance. This is the best this video card can do, because the system is not fully stressed, doesn't have any problem. There is no discussion when it comes to a video card like this. Seriously, you need to play games that are very appropriate for this. So this is one of them. I got 98 watts consumption from this video card, and there is no problem on utilizing it with this video card. 1024 in this occasion on the resolution, and you can see that the FPS it's decent. You know, I forgot to change the size of the overlay because yeah, I thought that it will run on 1080p. I wanted to say that, oh my god, look at the video card and how awesome it is, you know, but yeah, it doesn't run with 1080p. I got decent performance here, only 80 megabytes of VRAM utilization, but all in all, it's doing great, you know. Can't say nothing bad about it because it's running the game and I like it. If I go out from the city, you notice that I get a playable FPS. In some cases, you need to put this type of game in order to get those FPS up, you know. This is so bad, seriously. I put in Fallout everything on lowest quality with 1024, and look at this. I barely got 60 FPS. I think it's gonna go above 100 megabytes of VRAM utilization the moment I start walking around. This is so hard on the video card. I mean, I think I have to go 800 by 600 or even lower if it's possible in order to get playable FPS. Look at the frame time. The frame time is everywhere, but the FPS is not. I mean, the quality is super low, the resolution is low. What do you want more from this? How can you put more FPS in this game with this video card? I don't understand. Maybe use custom software to disable every light and shadow. Maybe that's how you can put it. But 9300 apparently in this case in Fallout is not possible to utilize it. I mean, all in all, the performance is theoretically almost okay with this. But yeah, I cannot condemn the game because it's not delivering the FPS. I think that the best thing I could have done for this video card, it would have been to put this in my Windows XP machine. I tried today to connect myself to a couple of games online. You managed to see 40-50 FPS. World of Tanks was horrible. Seriously, I was just curious to see how many FPS I will get with that game because yeah, it's a DirectX 10. So apparently World of Tanks works with DirectX 10 GPUs, but yeah, it was not okay. DDR2, 8 shaders. I think with older games it would have been a much better entertainment. I like this video card because it doesn't have a very powerful core and it's not using a fan. So if you're interested on restoring a machine that is only used for display adapter, I think this is a very good choice. I'm 100% sure you can find this video card for nothing or next to nothing, or even in some old computers that are abandoned. Majority of the time, that's how you end up with them. Hey, if you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, I mean, you know what? Don't recommend the video card. If you have any suggestion for the system, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.